So hello friends, welcome back to my channel again, and today I'm going to show you the complete process of sales order to delivery. It means that how we get the sales order and how we have started production cycle, and later on we have to do the delivery of the product. So this is the complete scenario of SAP production process. So let me start with the transaction code. That transaction code is VA01 for creation of sales order, but I have already created a sales order, so I'm going to use VA02 to change the product sales order. So this is my sales order, और इस sales order में quantity है 2. So now I'm going to save it. Now I have to check the material in MD04 where I get the requirement of the same product. So this is the sales order for 300146. It's a quantity of 2, and this is 145 and having a quantity of 2. So basically I've shown you the sales order earlier, that is 446. So I'm going to proceed the same scenario with 146 sales order. So the next step is to run the MRP. So for MRP you need to run the transaction code MD02, and this is the transaction MD02, and where I have to put the material, plant, and some of the parameters over here. So basically I have to put here 1 3 1 1 1, press enter and enter. So it is planned 6, new exceptions 5, planned order created 4, purchase requisition created 5, and dependent requirement created 10. So this is the result. So now I'm going to execute the transaction again, MD04. So where I get the planned order for the same sales order 146 and 145, but I'm going to run the cycle with 146. So 845 is my sales order or planned order. So now I have to check the complete requirement of the production order. So here I have to convert the production order. So it's showing some warning logs, master data logs. So that is a normal issue. And this is the product SFG to raw material. So again I have to put here raw material storage RM01. This is the storage location to for these products. So for this product I think I have to take SFG. So these are the storage locations for all these products. Now I have to check the operations. Is not found in this, so it is not a issue, it's a master data problem. Later on I'll check on it. And this is the operation to to execute the process for this product. So now I'm going to release the production order. It will show missing part list, no worries, and now save it. So what I find here, like the production has been created, production order has been created with the planned order 845, and the production order is 29 30000029. तो ये मेरा production order है. Now I have to execute the complete process for SFG first. So whereas my SFG is 2000091. So this is the SFG, and it is also having the requirement of same sales order because it is a purely make to order process. So now I have to convert the production order, planned order, into production order. This is the single component where I am going to use in this production. So release it and save it. So now this is the production order for this SFG. Now I have to check the component. So this is the purchase requisition for this material. So I have to create a purchase order for the same ME21N for the same purchase requisition. Here I have to put the purchase requisition, and now I also have another material which is 65 second SFG. For this material there is already a stock, so I no need to create any production order or any kind of planned order, because this material is already available in this storage location. So there is two concept in the same scenario, like this is for stocked item and another is for like 91 is for प्रोड्यूस्ड आइटम. सो इसमें क्या डिफरेंस है, उसमें हमारे पास स्टॉक अवेलेबल है इसलिए हमने उसका प्रोडक्शन ऑर्डर क्रिएट नहीं किया, और इन केस अगर ये बाहर से मुझे परचेज़ करना होता है देन आई हैव टू क्रिएट अ परचेज ऑर्डर विद द सेम मटेरियल. तो अभी इसके लिए जो इसके नीचे एक मटेरियल लगा है, आई हैव टू टेक दैट मटेरियल एंड पुट परचेज रिक्विजिशन एंड पुट इन द PO. सो प्रेस एंटर हियर एंड नाउ आई हैव टू पुट प्राइस 10 rupees. No worries. Again check. Purchase order still contain no commitment line item. What is it? Sorry for the interruption. Now again I am going to create same PO with the same PAR. So problem has been resolved now. So this is our standard PO. Where is that? This is the PO. This is the number, supplier number, this is company code, and this is purchase requisition. तो अभी क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं, एक PO बना रहा हूँ जिसका प्राइस है 10 rupees पर पीस, और यहाँ पे मुझे कमिटमेंट ID डालनी पड़ेगी 8040, और ये ऑलमोस्ट टैक्स कोड आ गया. ठीक है, तो अभी मैं चेक करता हूँ, मेरा जो एरर है वो जा चुका है, एंड कम बैक, और मैं इसको सेव करने वाला हूँ. सो नाउ आई हैव टू डू द GRN फॉर द सेम परचेज ऑर्डर विच इज़ हैविंग 71 PO number. So now this is the purchase order. Here I have to take this purchase order to the storage location with the GR receipt with purchase order 71. Press enter. Now this item we have to store in location, save it. Account determination now BSX, not possible. Again there is another problem, so again I have to check. Okay, no worries. I think this issues also has been removed from the system, and now I think it is posted. So this is the material document number 213, and which is posted in the stock now. Now I'm going to check the same material with plant, execute. So the stock has been updated in the system. So now I have to check the complete list of the materials for this production order. So this is the complete list of material which is going to be used in this production order. So these are two purchase requisitions. So now I'm going to create a PO for the same purchase requisitions. So this is my first purchase requisition, and this is my second purchase requisition. So both are here with price. So now text I have to mention over here, select, everything is okay. Now I'm going to create a production purchase order. So this is the purchase order 72. Now I have to do the GRN for the same purchase order. 72 is my purchase order number. This item is okay. Okay, check. Now storage location I need to mention here. This is my storage location and this is my storage location. Check it, post. So now everything is available in the system. I have to check again for the same production order. So now this is picked up from the storage location because this is customer specific purchase requisitions and stock also. Now I have to create a stock for this SFG because this SFG is already available, this material is available, this material is also available. Now I have to create a stock for this material. So come back, press enter. Now this is the production order. It is already released. So now I have to do the confirmation for the same production order. So quantity is here, goods movement it is here, and save. Do you want to save? Yes, no worries, because this error is coming from correct. Yes. So material is now confirmed, and now I have to do the Migo for the same production order for the material. So this is good receipt with order. Press order number, enter, and is already being processed. No worries, we have to check. Press enter. This is the storage location, check, post. So now it is posted with the document 215, and now the production for every material has been completed except header material. So the header material is V83. Now again I'm going to check the same all components for. So now this is a green and having complete status. So now I have to do the production order confirmation for the main material. So this is the T code, और यहाँ पे हमें production order डालना है. Press enter. Goods movement, if it is already backflushed or not. ठीक है, no backflush is there. Save it. This is a normal costing issue. Do you want to save? Yes. Material is confirmed. Now we have to do the separate goods issue for the material. So this is good issue against the material, against the production order. Everything is here. We have to put this RM, check, everything is available, post. So now this material is also issued. Now we have to do the receipt of same production order. So this is good receipt with respect to production order. Press order, and item is okay, check and paste. So basically now this stock has been updated once I refreshed it. So this stock has been updated with 2 quantity. Now I have to do the delivery of the component. So from VL01, and I have to create a delivery. So this is shipping point K01, order number is 30146. both यहाँ पे क्या है, ये आइटम को पिकिंग लिस्ट पे लेके जाना है, एंड हेयर वी हैव टू पुट पिक टू post goods issue. PGI is done. Now the outbound delivery has been created. Now the next step is billing. So for billing we have to create a document with BF01. This is the document. Press enter and save. सो अभी क्या है, मेरा डॉक्यूमेंट जनरेट हो गया, बिलिंग डॉक्यूमेंट जनरेट हो गया, मेरा हर एक चीज़ स्टेप हो चुका है। सो ये कंप्लीट स्टेप है और कंप्लीट सिनारियो है एक बिलिंग से, एक सेल्स ऑर्डर से लेके बिलिंग तक का प्रोसेस। तो आई थिंक आपका जो सारा सिनारियो अब इसमें कवर हो चुका है। अगर आपको कुछ लगता है मिसिंग है या इसमें कुछ और ऐड होना था जो मैंने ऐड नहीं किया था, कोई प्रोसेस में मिसिंग हो चुकी है, तो आप प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताएं। एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग इट। हैव अ गुड डे।